What's up, everybody? Joe here from JLB Power Wash. We're out here today doing a house wash. Nice house. It was dirty though. It's getting better. We got in between all the slats here. Just finishing up the front side now. We already got this side done. We're also going to be doing the concrete along the front here. As of right now, we're not doing the driveway. It needs it though, and we are going to talk about it. But yeah, guys, soft wash, low pressure cleaning for the exterior of your home. Give us a call or send me a message, and we'll get you a quote and schedule. Thanks.